Hello, dear students. Welcome to today's lesson. I hope you are very fine and you are also safe with your family members. Today, I am going to start the class on general mathematics. I have chosen the chapter 16. It is taken from reading syllabus for class 10. That is, today's topic is measurement regarding circle. That is belong to exercise 16.3. So let's see some basic discussion and try to recall from your memory which is studied in previous class. First, circle. Circle, actually this is a enclosed curved line. Actually this enclosed curved line is called circle, and the area bounded by this curved line, that is circular region. So, and some information related to circle: diameter, radius and circumference. I am not going to explain detail about the definition of these things. Firstly, just try to introduce with some symbolic representation. Diameter indicates by D, radius indicated by R, in some cases circumference indicated by C. Diameter is twice the radius, that's why D equal to 2R. And you know, the ratio of the circumference and diameter of any circle, which is constant, that is C by D equal to pi, where pi equal to 3.1416 approximately. Now we will introduce some new formula, that is length of the arc of a circle and another the area of the circular segment. Before going this formula, you already learned what is the formula for circumference. You can write this way. From this part you can write circumference C equal to pi d. From this part you can write this relation. If you replace diameter by 2r, the formula comes 2 pi r. So what is the formula for circumference? Pi d or 2 pi r. Again, the new concept: any segment or part of the circle which is called arc, it is indicated by S, and you know S is the segment of total length of the circle, that is segment of circumference, that is 2 pi r equal to length of the arc of a circle 2 pi r into theta by 360. If you simplify, the formula comes like this: pi r theta by 360. Again, already you have learned area of the circle, that is formula is pi r square. The new thing is, when you will slice the circle like pizza, the one slice like this, that is called the circular segment, or in some cases it is called sector. So what is the formula for area of the circular segment or sector? That is pi r square into theta by 360. These are all basics discussion and formula related to this topic. So we will go to solve the problems from exercise 16.3 from your general math book. So let's see the question number 1 from exercise 16.3. By this time, I hope you will take your textbook and open at exercise 16.3. At first, we will see the question number 1. What is given in question number 1? Angle subtended by a circular segment at the center is 30 degree. If the diameter of the circle is 126 centimeter, then determine the length of arc. Actually, from the question, at first you will collect the information which things are given and which is wanted. So I am trying to solve this problem. Question number 1. You try to again see the question and try to understand in which way you will solve this problem. Question number 1. What are the given information actually here? Here, given information is angles subtended at center. In shortly, you can write like this: subtended angle theta equal to 30 degree. And another thing is diameter. Diameter of a circle equal to, you can write also by indicating by D, or directly you can write 126 centimeter. So, radius of the circle. Radius of the circle you can indicate by R equal to 126 by 2 centimeter, that is 63 centimeter. So what is wanted? What is the length of R? So we know, already have learned the formula. The length of R S equal to, you can write 2s pi R theta by, I am writing this formula, 180 degree. Now substitute the values. So what are the values? Instead of pi, you can write 1416 into radius equal to 63 and theta equal to 30 degree. You can omit degree from both angles, just write like this way. Then unit will be square centimeter. So what will be the result? Just using your calculator, you can easily calculate the result, and result I am directly writing, that is 32.987 square centimeter. Since I have taken the approximate value of pi, so here you should write also approximately. I am writing directly answer here. I hope student you can understand easily this solution. So I am going the next problem. Now see the question number 2. If you feel necessary, you can pause the video, and after completion of writing, then you can go the next video or next part of the video. That is, I am going the question number 2. What is given in question number 2? Okay, I am reading out the question. A horse circle around a field with a speed of 66 meter per minute in 1.5 minutes. Determine the diameter of the field. So, students, see the question and try to understand actually which things are given and which is wanted. So, as per the question, you will try to write the given information. Number 2, of course, circle around the field with a speed of 66 meter and total rotation, of course, or total round was completed by 1.5 minutes. So at first you have to calculate by 1.5 minutes how much distance is covered by horse. So a horse in 1 minute covers the distance 66 meter. Therefore, a horse in 1.5 minutes covers the distance 66 into 1.5 meter, that is 66 into 3 by 2 meter, 3399 meter. So actually, to complete the round of the field, a horse is covering the distance 99 meters. So you can say the circumference of the field actually, therefore the circumference of a field of the field equal to 99 meter. Now, actually, here that is not given directly what is the circumference of the field. So, by calculating this way, after finding the circumference, now see the question. What is wanted the question? Determine the diameter of the field. Directly you can, by supposing you can write, let diameter of the field D. Therefore, what will be the circumference? Therefore, circumference of the field. You know the formula pi d or 2 pi r. So here I am using the pi d. According to question, you can write this equation pi d equal to 99. So what will be the value? D equal to 99 by pi. So if you substitute the values for pi, that is 3.1416. So result comes 31.513. 31.513. You will check out this result using your calculator. Therefore, diameter of the field equal to 31.513 meter approximately. That is the answer. So already we have completed the solution of question number 2. Now we will try to solve the question number 3. So I hope you will see the question from your textbook, question number 3. So I am reading out the question number 3. Area of a circular segment is 77 square meter and the radius is 21 meter. Determine the angle subtended at the center by the circular arc. So actually which informations are given in this question? There is given area of the circular segment. You can call also that is sector. Also given radius, but that is wanted. What is the length of the arc? So at first try to write the given information taken from the question. So again, see the question and try to understand which things are given. So as per the question, firstly I am writing the given information here. Which things are given? Area of the circular segment. Area of the circular segment equal to 77 square meter. And another information is given, that is radius of the circle. Radius of the circular segment r equal to, what is the data? 21 meter. That is wanted. What is the subtended angle at the center by this circular segment? To light angle, subtended angle at center B theta. So already we have learned the formula for area of the circular segment. Therefore, area of the circular segment equal to, already you have learned from the previous discussion, pi square into theta by 360 degree. Now substitute the values. So pi square theta, just substitute the value for radius. Pi equal to 3.1416 into r square means 21 square into theta by 360 degree. Then unit will be square meter. According to question, 3.1416 into 21 square into theta by 360 degree. Just omit the degree from here. Finally, after getting the answer, you will write the unit equal to what is given, 77. So, or we would like to find the value for theta. So what can we write? 77 into 360 divided by 3.1416 into 21 squared. So what result you are going to get? So result will be 20.008 degree. 20.008 degree. 8. So the measure of the required angle, measurement of required angle, you can write measurement of required angle equal to 20.008 degree approximately. That is the answer. I hope student you can understand very well. So now we will see the next question, that is question number 4. Students, I will try to give a solution for all problems. So serially I am trying to give you the solution. So see the question number 4. What is given in question number 4? The radius of the circle is 14 cm and arc subtends an angle 75 degree at its center. Question is, determine the area of the circular segment. So try to understand which things are given and which things is wanted. So at first I write the given information taken from question. For the radius of the circle is 14 cm. So here there is a question. Radius of a circle are equal to 14 cm. And another information, an arc subtends an angle 75 degree. The subtended angle theta equal to 75 degree. At center, determine the area of the circular segment. Where is the question? So you know the formula for area, but we know very easy. Area of the circular segment. Already you have learned this formula, and also you have applied this formula in previous problem. Pi r square into theta by 360 degree. Now substitute the values. 3.1416 into r square means 14 square, and theta by 360, theta means 75. When you will substitute the values, you must remove the unit of degree from numerator and denominator. Just here write as per the question what is the unit, square centimeter. So what will be the result? So result will be 1924.23 square centimeter approximately. For verifying the result, you can use the calculator and check out the result. So today in this part we will see the question number 5. What is given in question number 5? Just see, there is a road, a circular field. The outer circumference of the road is greater than the inner circumference by 44 meters. Find the width of the road. So, which information is given in question number 5 and what is wanted? What is given? There is discussed about a circular field. That is question number 5. But nothing is given, just one information is given, that is the difference of the outer circumference and inner circumference of the circular field is 44 meters. That's one thing is given. But for writing the formula for circumference of a circular shape, you must know about the radius. So you must introduce radius by supposing let radius of a circular inner radius. You can write this way: inner radius of the circular field B R, and width of the road, B X. Therefore, outer radius of the circular field equal to R plus S. If necessary, you can draw the figure also. In previous solution, you can also draw the necessary figure. Suppose this is field, this is radius of the field, and this is width of the road. That is R, that is X, that is road. You can draw the related diagram. So, therefore, outer circumference of the field will be the outer circumference 2 pi, and here radius is R plus X, and inner circumference of the field only 2 pi R. So you can write the unit also here. Suppose that is X R, what is unit is given? 44 meter. So if you write, you can also unit also here like this, here also, here also, here also. So according to question, the difference of two circumference 2 pi R into R plus X minus 2 pi R equal to 44 meter. Now just calculate the value for R. X 2 pi R plus 2 pi X minus 2 pi R equal to 44. You can omit this term. So what will be the result? 2 pi X equal to 44. So X equals actually 44 by 2 pi equal to 22 by pi means 3.1416. The result will be 7.003. So what is the question? Question is find the width of the road. Therefore, width of the road equal to 7.003 meter approximately. That is the answer. So I think students, you can understand very well. So in this segment, I would like to conclude my video lecture and see you in next video. Thanks for watching.